like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm out of breath and I'm sorry, but I just finished working out and I can't wait for you to see the workout that I just did. Like I said, I'm not a professional fitness coach or trainer or anything like that, but I have been working out and I feel healthy and fit and I feel so good every time and I'm getting results. Now, if you want to have results, just follow me. That's all you have to do. Just follow me and hit that subscribe button below. So let's get started. Just can't hide it. This we're going to do deadlifts. Now I am using an 80 pound weight. So let's get started. We're gonna be doing deadlift 3 sets of 10. Okay, you can put your hand on this side, on the left side, and also facing like this on the right. Okay, and as you pull yourself up, make sure your back is straight, and make sure you're not pulling yourself up using your arm, but you're pulling this weight up, okay, using your body. Okay, you should squeeze the core and make sure your weight is also on your heels, not on your toes. So guys, are you ready? I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because I'm already tired. Okay, so let's do it like this. Okay. Let me know how you guys feel because I am already feeling it. So it means it's good, it's working. All right, so let's do this. It felt good.
Like a Hellcat.